Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Nox Android Emulator on your Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, open your favorite browser and search for Noxplayer Android Emulator, and the first link which will appear here will be from bignox.com. So just click on this link, and once this website opens, straight away you will be able to see this download button here and on the top. So I'm going to just click on the download button, which is going to start the download of this nox setup.exe file. So this file is around 500 megabytes, so just wait for the download to complete. And once this exe file is downloaded, just click on this exe file, and then I'm going to minimize the browser. So first of all, you will be able to see this warning, so just click yes here, which is going to start the installation wizard for Noxplayer. And once this installation wizard starts, you just need to click on the install button, which is going to start the installation of Noxplayer. So at this point, you just need to wait for this progress bar to reach to the 100% mark. And once Noxplayer is installed, you will be able to see two shortcut icons which will be created on your desktop. First one is Nox and second one is multi-drive for Nox, right? So now you can just click on the start button, which is going to launch Noxplayer on your Windows 11 operating system. And now I can see Noxplayer has been launched on my Windows 11 operating system. So let me maximize it. And when you install Noxplayer for the first time, you will be able to see these kind of hints where you can see that Noxplayer is going to show you how you can navigate this Noxplayer. So it's saying find any game you want to play in the search area, and then I'm going to just click on done, and it's going to show once again some other tip to you, right? So for now I'm going to click on the skip button, and before you do anything on Noxplayer, you need to log in with your Gmail account on this Google Play app on your Noxplayer, because to install any Android game you need to have the access to Google Play, and you can only download apps from Google Play once you are logged in to the Google Play app, right? So you need to log into your Google Play account, and then only you will be able to download the apps. I will just click on login later, but I will highly recommend you to log into your Google Play store so that you can download all the apps and games. So here you have the app center also. So when I click on the app center here, you will be able to see all these apps according to the category. So you can select the category and download the apps from here. In order to go back, you can just click on this back button, which is going to just redirect you to the main window. You also have the tools app where you can find all the Android related tools, for example settings app and other apps, and you have the browser here also. Now if you want to change some settings on Noxplayer, you can click on the settings icon here, and then you can adjust your performance by these performance settings. So for example, if you want high performance, you can choose this setting, otherwise you can choose the low setting if you have some other computer configuration. You can also set the resolution, you can change the gaming FPS and other settings. You can also change the device. Default device is Galaxy S9 from Samsung, but you can change this device. Also you can change the display settings and the theme also. So all these settings you can change from here, right? So now you can start playing games and using Noxplayer on your Windows 11 operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.